perfect day outside. Gonna hit the gym this morning and head down to UK. Back from the gym, time to head down to UK to go work a baseball game. Again, lovely, lovely day. Fantastic. Wish I was outside. But regardless, working a baseball game. Let's go.
Kids.
Yo. Been building graphics since now game time. This audio is screwed. We have the big wigs coming in from ESPN to watch us today, so it's a little intimidating, but it should be alright.
If from there we'll know if it's going to go on at 6:43 or not. So 6:34 is our update if you want to tell Dick and Doug that.
In a rain delay.
Alright.
At least 30 minutes.
Can you change that SC Network base? Yes, I appreciate it. Sorry if I was a little shorter. We were trying to do a couple things at once.
The tarp is on. It's been like 20 minutes. I don't know what they're clapping about. And yet another rain delay. And this one doesn't look as good as the last one. Looks angrier. Hello again. Still in a rain delay. Second. This one's like an hour-long rain delay. Super nice. I didn't shoot a time lapse today.
Minutes after that?
It's now 9 o'clock. This game started at 5:30. We're attempting to restart.
Okay.
Again.
And we're ecstatic about it.
Welcome to rain delay number 4 of the day. And it's raining a little bit. I don't know. It is a little past 11. The game started at 5:30. We didn't even finish it all. Got to the bottom of the 8th inning and we had to call it heavy rain and lightning. Long day and really didn't amount to much. That's alright. Now we're gonna go home and I'm starving, so maybe some food. Back at the apartment. Gonna call it here. Didn't really do much today outside of working out and working a baseball game. I was there from 2 o'clock till 11. Solid little day of work. Gonna go to bed. Keeneland tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.